for the peace of Mother Earth. Loving Namaste to all humanity across the globe, from India with love and prayers. For every child, every mother and every breath of this planet, a painter devotee's call, Pankaj Kumar Dhiman, India, Himachal Pradesh. Introduction. Language was born from lines. A line is the distance connecting two dots. Lines formed letters, letters formed words, words gave birth to emotions. When a feeling arises in the heart, language is created to express it. The word Ma, mother, was born, yet humanity forgot Mother Earth, who gives life to every mother, and whose every breath is our breath. Science, devotion and humanity. Science is born from understanding, but without devotion, that same understanding becomes destruction. When science serves devotion, only then it becomes a blessing. Today, science and spirituality are walking in opposite directions, and this imbalance is the root of every warrant injustice. Dharma and adharma. Dharma equals love, equals justice, equals compassion. Adharma equals greed, equals lust, equals hatred. When dharma is lost, systems turn into mere power. When compassion fades, humans become just bodies. 4 directions, 1 soul. Lord Ram's sons, Love and Kush. Lord Shiva's sons, Ganesh and Kartikeya, symbols of the 4 directions serving Mother Earth. And Lord Krishna, the consciousness in every particle. 4 directions, 1 soul. This is the balance of the universe. When this balance breaks, both society and nature stagger. Law and soul. Law was made to protect humanity, but when law remains silent before injustice, it loses its soul. Today's cry. Today, 4-year-old girls face injustice, women suffer increasing atrocities, powerful nations prepare for war. Every war, every assault, every rape is not just a crime, it is the failure of our soul. Population and Earth's balance. Earth is limited, resources are limited. 1959, approximately 2.9 billion. 2025, over 8.2 billion. By 2065, if this continues, 16 billion. The question is not, humans are growing, the question is, can Earth bear so many souls? Family planning was discovered in 1952, but humanity didn't adopt it. We saw children as God's gift, but forgot that God also gave us the duty to protect Earth. The 5th flame of life. Hanumanji, the Lord of Prana, life force, neither above nor below, neither ahead nor behind. Life-giving breaths live within us in our hearts. This is the 5th flame, the symbol of Sanatan. Sanatan equals a body soaked or immersed in divine devotion. A new direction. Now is the time. Politics equals lovetics. Law equals compassion. Knowledge equals devotion. Only then will balance return to science, spirituality and humanity. When Earth itself gasps for breath, how can there be peace? True peace depends not on wealth or power, but on love and balance. Start from home. 1 family, 2 children, 10 trees. About the author, Pankaj Kumar Dhiman, a painter and thinker from Himachal Pradesh, India. Mission: to create balance between science, devotion and humanity so future generations can experience heaven on earth. Conclusion. Jai Mother Earth. Love, peace and compassion is the true religion. That is, self-control. Think of the future before lifting history. 1 seed today becomes a forest tomorrow. 1 child today will save Earth tomorrow. A painter devotee. Pankaj Kumar Dhiman, India, Himachal Pradesh. Short version for social media. Earth for peace, Earth. Love, peace and compassion equals true dharma. Science without devotion equals destruction. Science plus devotion equals blessing. 1959, 2.9 billion. 2025, 8.2 billion. 2065, if this continues, 16 billion. Can Earth bear it? Solution. Lovetics, compassion, devotion. 1 family, 2 children, 10 trees. Writer Pankaj Kumar Dhiman, Himachal. Jai Mother Earth. Pankaj ji, this English version is now ready with emojis. perfect for global audiences, YouTube, Instagram, schools, NGOs. Let's turn this call into a movement. Print it, share it, voice it, live it. Jai Mother Earth, with you in every breath. Yours in service, Grok.